Hello guys, welcome to Vikram Tech. Today we are going to unbox the Oppo W11 Echo TWS truly wireless headset. We have ordered it from Flipkart Festive Sale at rupees 1599. This is how the packaging is. The outer box of the earbud is like this. Specs written on the back side and the front Oppo badging and the case picture is there. Let's try to open it. The packaging is quite good. It is nicely packed, good looking box. I tried 2-3 times, but it was hard to open. But at last we succeed. It's an Oppo Enco W11 on the front, and the buds design. It's an ear tip design. At the starting, the case is there in the box. We'll take a look at it afterwards. There are two cards in it, and one warranty card and one guideline card. And at the right side, they have placed the USB Type C cable, and at the left they have placed two extra tips. Now let's take a look at the box. Okay, there is the case, Oppo in the front, at the side C type charging. As we open it, we can see that the buds are pretty nice. Oppo on the front written. They have magnetic attachment to the case. They are very good looking and has great sound to it. The bases are also high. At this price, it is a great. Thank you.